Good morning. Here we got 40 grams. Like the usual. You know what? We'll do 60. It's Monday. It's time to get the pump. Yeah, that's more like it. That's more like it. 60 grams. Yeah, that's more like it. That's more like it. $60 grams. Bro, the oatmeal, you can never go wrong, bro. Straight pure oatmeal, straight carbohydrates. What are we looking at? 3 grams of fat, 27 grams of carbs, 5 grams of protein. Bro, you need your carbohydrates, bro. You need them. You need your carbohydrates, bro. Don't let these people try and fool you saying, carbs make you fat. I was already fat, but look. It's making me fat right now. Or is it getting me mogged? Is it getting me... We on day 15. We on day 15. We're nowhere where we want to be. We don't settle for mediocrity. So, just know, bro. Just know. Just know, bro. Carbs is the way. Moderation on the fats. Protein's high, bro. Protein's high. Carbs high. Fats on moderation. And we'll see how that looks on MyFitnessPal later on today. But carbs make me good, yo. We're also having some black coffee. And my Get a Grip on Life cup. Black coffee has 0 calories. Tell me I don't know the life hacks. I'm waiting. Gojo or mom? Gojo or mom? Gojo or mom? Gojo or mom? I guess we're only left with one option. Yeah, we just came back from Costco. We're gonna cook up some chicken right now. That's how we're gonna lead our Monday. I don't know where I would be without my chicken. We're also having 151 of these green grapes. These are good, man, from Costco. It tastes like ice cream, bro. Literally. We're gonna be cooking up the chicken. We have 40 grams of oatmeal. We have 21 grams of honey, because we put it in our oatmeal. And 151 grams of green grapes. And we're gonna cook this chicken up right now. We add some barbecue sauce to it. And we're gonna have a chest day later, bro. A chest day later, bro. I'm ready, bro. I'm ready. So we got 287 grams of chicken. We're gonna use some avocado. And we're gonna check it right now. This is a lot of chicken, so we've used approximately 56 grams of barbecue sauce. So we just tried the avocado, but it was actually pretty bad. So this is all we're gonna have. Approximately 290 grams of chicken, and as well as approximately 60 grams of barbecue, and we'll do that. All right, guys, we finished up our chicken with some barbecue sauce. We have it all tracked. We had a little packet of shredded cheese. with that. And we didn't have any avocado because it went bad. But we're gonna have a protein bar right now. And we're gonna go get these gains right now, bro. We're gonna get these gains right now. So this is what we have for lunchtime as of late. So we about to head to the gym right now. We're gonna do half a scoop of this pre-workout that we've been taking like 4 times a week. Let's get going. So we start off our chest workout with military bench press, and that's just with 2 dumbbells doing 8 to 10 reps. Get up. Now this movement right here is one of my favorite movements for chest workout, and this defines like literally your whole chest, and it gives you the line in the middle, you know, the separation between the 2 pectoral muscles. And this one right here really gives you that strain on that chest. It's called a chest fly. Next on our workout, we have tricep extensions. This movement right here really gets my blood flowing in those triceps. And we do 10 to 12 for this set. And to kill off our triceps, we use the bar to do what is called tricep curls. Overhead tricep curls. And so the bar kind of goes to my forehead, and then we extend it out, pushing it out with that tricep. And this right here is a killer workout for your tris. We as well do 10 to 12 of these. Last but not leastly, we have incline military bench. So this right here, it's just an incline to target that upper chest. And we go ahead and do 8 to 10 of this just to kill our chest. So from military bench to then we go to chest flies, and then we go to tricep extensions, as well to overhead tricep curls, then to incline 5 times. Back from the gym, 4 eggs, a banana and a scoop of protein, 40 grams oatmeal, 126 grams of fruit. Like what we got for breakfast tomorrow. Eating. So we're gonna eat this down, chat. And we're gonna get ready for a leg day tomorrow, bro. You know what? I'm gonna tap in right now with you in a little bit. Some watermelon. I cut this up, and it was 400 grams. I promise you, 400 grams of watermelon. It's just that we made a mess and we were cleaning it up. We're gonna have our protein shake, and then we're gonna have our watermelon. And that's gonna conclude for day 15. I'll see y'all tomorrow for day 16.